Well, hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today is going to be a simple video. It's a requested video, so I'm going to do it for you guys. It's simply showing you guys how to clean up your chicken, cut up your chicken, and get it ready for cooking. So if you want to see how me cut up and clean my chicken and get it ready for whatever style I cook it in, come on and let's do this. You're going to need some fresh vinegar and 1 lime. This is 1 lime. If you have lemon, you use it. If you have lemon juice, you use it as well. We're going to start with cutting off the wings. The next thing you're going to do is take your legs off. So you start with right in the corner right here. I'm not going to keep the skin on. I'm going to take the skin off as well. And you pull off the skin and take off that excess fat. So here you see right here there's no skin on the meat. We go jam until morning. Yeah, have a time until morning. Yeah, tell her what you wine and bend down low. So once you get to the breast, right? Once you get to the breast, because this is the breast, and then you have the back here. You just want to simply go ahead and just give it a cut right in the center of the breast. And just go right through it. I'm going to take the skin off, because we don't want no skin on this thing here. So we take off the skin. There you have it. So let's go to the next step. Here guys, as you can see, I'm washing off the chicken with cold running water. Just throw it off. Lemon. Alright, so you go ahead and you get your lemon, you squeeze it out, and you just wash your chicken with it, right? With your lemon. And you rinse it again. Throw that water off. So that was with your lemon juice or your lemon, alright? Now we're going to even make it even cleaner. You put your vinegar in there and you just rub it up in there. Get your cold running water and you rinse that vinegar off. Then you throw that water off. So there you have it guys, that's how I clean chicken in my kitchen, alright? So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! Don't stop it. Yeah. We go jam until morning. Yeah. Have a time until morning. Yeah. For a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.